if I played something like Fly Me to the Moon, it's a jazz. Well, actually, like all jazz standards, it didn't start as a jazz tune, but it's a tune that jazz musicians like to play. So we got this melody. I'll accompany myself on this. Now, if I look at the chords, A minor 7, G7, C. So I can have those chords, but I can also have the melody. And I can use that as a framework as well. What I'm doing there is I'm actually targeting notes. So you can target the third of a note. Actually, the melody is on the third, minor third. Actually, the melody is on the third.
Yeah.
So I can play. Now that's a phrase targeting the third of each note. You can do the fifth, you can do whatever. So I'm just playing around the melody, and then I can, from that, if you play the melody first, play with the melody, use target notes, chromatics, you start taking it out, and you start taking it further out, and further out, and it will always have a flow to it, and it will always sound authentic. It won't sound like this if you just play over the chords. Now I'm just playing the scales of each chord there, and it just sounds like okay. Whereas if I still incorporate, so I'm still using the harmonic sequence because I'm staying within that, but I'm also using little bits of the melody as well, and those target notes.